The right way to brush. Are you doing it correctly? Most of us brush our teeth every day. But here's the secret. Very few of us do it right. Let's take 2 minutes to learn the right way to brush and keep your smile healthy for life. Brushing isn't just about fresh breath. It removes sticky plaque filled with bacteria that cause cavities and gum disease. The most common mistake? Brushing too quickly. You should brush for a full 2 minutes, twice a day. Don't scrub side to side. It can wear down enamel and hurt your gums. Use small circular motions, gently brushing along the gum line. Don't forget the back teeth, the inner surfaces, and even your tongue. That's where bacteria love to hide. Use a soft-bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Electric brushes can make it even easier to clean effectively. So, slow down, use gentle circles, and reach every surface. Your teeth and your dentist will thank you. For more quick dental tips, subscribe to our channel or visit our website independencedentalplano.com. Keep smiling.